what we're first going to do is we're going to roll from the top to the bottom of the box. So that's where you're going to want to open it. Take it across the side. I know it says don't use a knife, but just don't put out your blade all the way. Then pull it up. That's going to expose the bottom of the recliner. You're just going to pull it out, set it down. Then you can come back around, bring it out, and your backrest is going to be in there. Slide it out, and then you can just take it and set it up out of the way. Okay, you're going to notice that you have two cords coming out of the bottom of the seat. These are for the massager, and they are color coordinated. The backrest will also have the same colors. These cords are for the power to the power lumbar and the power headrest. They are also color coded. It's got a red, and then this one is just left blank. Everything else under the bottom of the chair is going to be connected from us when you get it out of the box. This is your power pack that will power up the chair once we're done assembling it. You can take your utility knife or side cuts or something, just cut it off. Once you've got it out of the box, just slide these off, and then you're going to slide. These are called Katy clips, and they just got a snap clip that allow you to open and close it, and those are going to slide down and they're going to lock in this square hole right there. So you'll just take your backrest, come around to the side, guide one on, guide the other one on, and what I do is I make sure I pull the cords out that are on the backrest so they're here ready for you to assemble or snap together. And you're just going to bring it down, you'll hear those snap in, and it's locked together. So now you're just going to take these and you're going to slide them in, and they've got a spade, and sometimes these don't lock in as in reach. That's not a problem, they will stay together. And then you'll bring the other one that doesn't have the tape on it, you'll slide that, lock those together. This one does reach, so you can snap it and lock it. If you would want to, you can use electrical tape and wrap it around there to secure it. All you do is pick up on the one side and it comes off very easily. Then you would connect your massagers, gray and black to gray and black. There is a little lock, and then one side is smooth, one side does have the lock. You'll slide it in, snap together. Same thing, snap together. That is done. The backrest is locked together. Now the rest is putting the power to it. Now with this chair, you're going to plug it into the back side of the arm. This is not needed. So you do it just the same as what we did on the backrest there. Pick it up, unsnap, then it's done. What we're going to do is we're going to go ahead and plug it in here, and then we can go ahead and plug this in back here, because everything in the chair is plugged in together already. So you can go ahead and pull this down, wrap it over to the bottom. There is Velcro that'll help lock it in. Go ahead and ease it down to the floor. You'll plug it in, showing that there is a green light right here when you plug it in that shows that you have power. So once you have it plugged in and you have power, then you can start at the top, which would be the power headrest. Then it's going back. And then you've got the open and close. And then you have on the inboard side of the switch is your power lumbar to push it out, and then to have it go back or recline it back in. And you have the massagers that are also on the back side of that switch. And then you have the power seat heater beside it. And then you have the USB, and then you have the LED light which lights up on the floor, which is the center round button.